in today's video, I've got a special guest. This is part 2 of fidget trading. No, fidget haul.
I don't really understand them. I've seen them, but I don't really know what they are.
I love fidgets, so we've got a whole box.
Okay, why don't you put them down there? And I don't see, and you pick a random one, and I'll rate it out of 100, okay? Because 100's a very good number.
Actually used to have quite a few fidgets, but he gave them to me.
Yeah.
Really.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me number 1. Number 1. Oh.
I actually traded that one
Got
at
a
school
little crab
with my
looking
friend.
thing. It's pretty weird, this one.
Look quickly. If you put it on the good side, you can pull it, and then it goes back to the bad side.
I'd rate it 30. It's not that exciting to play with.
We're gonna pop them.
Okay. Number 1, 30.
Next. By the way, guys,
Baby
at that
Yoda.
end, I'm gonna do my massive puppet.
It's a baby Yoda. It's pretty cute.
It's cute.
I like the colours.
It's I like the colours, but it's kind of hard to pop.
Yeah, but that's kind of good because it's more satisfying when you pop it. But I'd rate this a 35 because I don't know why, but it's just not that fun to play with, really. Baby Yoda.
Why don't you put that out for one? Next. Marble mesh.
Marble mesh. What are you meant to do with it?
Look. So you're meant to push it.
Why? Why?
And then you can also do this.
Oh yeah, that's kind of cool.
I got quite a lot of them.
They're kind of satisfying. But I'd rate it 40, maybe.
Okay. Wait. Next is a monkey noodle.
Monkey noodle. Ow. Well, if there are bigger ones, I'd like it.
Yeah, I've got bigger ones. That one used to be yours, though.
Ow. I don't really understand why it's good, but
I like to stretch it.
Yeah, but then hurt your hands. Ow. But hang on.
If I were you, I would rate it 20 or 10.
Oh.
Hey!
I'd rate this noodle. I'd rate it 35 as well because it's okay.
Okay.
Drum roll.
Tango.
Oh yeah.
That used to be yours
This
as well.
used to be mine. I kind of enjoy these because you can roll it up into a ball.
I have 3 of them.
Stretch it out. And you can also turn it into this little, I forgot how you do it now. You can turn it into
What would you rate
a
it?
spiral.
What would you rate it?
Hang on. Let me do a spiral.
I'm going to pick the next fidget.
The spirals. Look, it's going in a spiral as I play
I've got the next fidget ready, but you need to rate it.
Oh. I'd rate this 47.
Okay.
Actually, I'd rate it 50.
Okay.
I'll give it 60 because it's pretty fun and
I
it's
got
gold
the
and
next
silver.
fidget in my hand. It's the big one.
It's pink and it's a monkey noodle. Hang on. Ow! Yeah, that hurts.
No, not me help you.
It's kind of fun to play with, actually. The
Look,
bigger they
look,
are,
I
the
like
more
to
fun.
do this. I actually get 3 of them and do the braids.
Oh yeah.
What would you
I'd rate
this?
that 65 because it's. I Don't know why, but neon pink looks good with it. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. Got the next fidget. A snapper. This one actually is a bad one. I've got another one, a purple one.
Yeah,
but
it's kind of broken,
my
so
mum
that's
got
not really
it.
a snap, but
My
I
mum
like
got
the
it
colour.
for me for my birthday, but it was hers.
Yeah, it doesn't snap, so I'd rate it.
I rate it like 15.
I'd rate it probably 15 because I really like the colours, but I don't. It just doesn't snap, so it's not fun.
Well, sometimes it does if you get lucky. Okay. Next is Emoji.
What is that?
I actually got
What is it?
this from a machine. Vending. No, not vending. What is it?
Oh, I remember. You got it from like a little £1.
Yeah.
A little. Meat. He's so cute.
It's an egg.
It's like a little chicken
What would you
thing.
rate it?
I'd rate it.
If I were you,
I'd rate it 30
like,
because it's not really a fidget. It just looks
rate
really
it
cute.
a 13
But I'm keeping it.
No, because it gets like stuff on it really quickly.
Hello, my name's Bob.
Okay. Next fidget, you'll like this one.
Not really.
Well, it's not the squishy one.
It's in America. It's called a football.
A soccer ball.
No, in America it's called a football. But in England it's called a rugby ball.
Yeah. A rugby ball. What would you rate it?
I'd rate it probably 20 because it's not like.
It's foam.
Yeah, it's not squishy. It would be way better if like you squished it and it would slowly go up.
This is my favourite. This one was my brother's.
Oh yeah, I kind of like this. It's really satisfying.
It's a dimple. Dimple.
If you listen. Oh, that's really good.
I like to
Show it to the camera.
I like to
Show it to the camera.
count the holes because
Yeah, like it says like 10 and stuff.
Yeah, it says
And
so on this side it's got like the dots.
Yeah.
And then on this
like
side,
the number, however number it says, that's how many dots it's got.
And
it feels really satisfying.
On this side.
Oh, and it also
numbers.
I think look, what I said.
The numbers.
It's also got it in Spanish and English.
Oh yeah.
I think that's pretty cool. I like it.
What would you rate it?
90. Actually, 89.
I actually kind of stole these
Give
from
me
my
the
brother.
fidget. Give me the
Kind of
fidget.
stole this from my brother.
Give me the fidget. Oh yeah, you stole these. These are my favourite because you can like them little magnets.
And you like connect them.
Yeah, it's really cool. If you look, some of them are losing their colours because we play with them too much.
Yeah, but they're really fun.
But you can turn it into like a little circle. Whee.
It's got hair in it because it's metal and it goes to people's hair.
Wow.
It's a little
I'd rate it
100.
Oh. Whoops.
100.
I'd rate it
100.
85.
What?
Because
That dimple, you said this is your favourite.
Fine, I'll give it a 95. It's because it's magnets and I play with it so much it gets boring now. But it doesn't like really get boring. Put it away because I don't want to chuck it because it will break the floor.
This is one of my brothers. His friend gave it to him. It's
my little
It's kind
skateboard.
of like a fidget.
It's kind of a fidget. It's really fun to play with. Look, yeah. So I would rate this 80 because it's kind of good.
One more fidget and then we're done.
Okay, yeah. One more fidget and then we'll do a part
8.
3.
Okay.
Part 8.
Okay, last fidget. This used to be yours as well.
Oh yeah, Dimple is pretty fun to play with.
Okay.
It's like
I've got
really
blue
big pops.
Dimple.
It's satisfying when they like pop.
Alright. What would you rate the
I
last one?
would.
Wait, you didn't rate the skateboard.
I did.
What?
70, I think I said. I don't know what I said.
Just
Oh, by the way, like and subscribe.
Thanks
You
for
can make.
watching.
No, we haven't finished because I haven't rated it. But like and subscribe so we can do more videos like this. And comment if you want to do something different. Like you get to choose.
What would you rate it?
We would rate it. No, 75.
Okay.
75.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.